Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're at the stables and I'm with my best friend. Hi! This is with Maggie here. And today we're just going to be like riding some of the horses. So yeah, so we're going to be riding Popcorn, Rosie and Magic today. And that's basically it. Okay, so all the girls are all tacked up now and we're gonna go ride.
Okay, I'm Equestrian 13's best friend and I'm on Popcorn today, so yeah.
Okay, so I am on Rosie at the moment and we're just going to be doing like a few transitions like walking, trotting and cantering, not galloping because I think we're in an indoor arena and it's a bit too much. First for a walk, we're just going to go for a walk. Now for a trot. Good girl. And now for a canter. Good girl.
Okay, so it's me back and I'm riding Magic in the arena, so once again we're not doing anything. Kenta! Okay.
Hey guys, it's me again and I'm going for a second round on Magic and I think we might do a bit of jumping after with all of the horses, but I think we're going to stick with Magic for a minute, so it's okay. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back on Magic now guys and we're just going to be doing a few poles. So I'm just going to quickly get most of the poles up and I'm just going to do that on fast mode. Okay, so we're going over the poles now. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so that's the end of today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and just enjoy our videos.